Hi, I'm Tom Myers of Anatomy Trains, and I'm here to tell you about our Anatomy Trains Structure and Function course. This course is open to everybody and will be useful to everybody, but it's also the introductory course for Anatomy Trains Structural Integration Training. In Anatomy Trains Structure and Function, you will learn about the whole set of 12 Anatomy Trains lines, how the anatomy gets put together, and I think that will change your mind about how movement and stability work in the body. Then we'll be doing body reading and visual assessment so that you can look at somebody's postural pattern and see where the fascial fabric has been pulled out of place, and then learn the techniques, the fascial release techniques, to open that tissue up and restore an easy, aligned, upright postural balance. If you'll join us there, we'll be glad to see you.